Good day, adventure groupies. This will be a short video on our Max Air vent system. We have a cover here, it's magnetic to cover the Max Air. And what we like about the Max Air is that you can open up the vent with the remote, and the lid opens up, and you can pull hot air from inside the coach to the outside with windows open. The only problem is when it rains. If it rains, there's a rain sensor that it will automatically shut the lid back down again. So if you're camping and it's raining, you can't have the lid. So you're probably wondering, is there a solution? Yes, there is, and I'm glad you tuned in. Let's see what the solution is. Welcome to my workshop again. Let us take a look and see how we're going to correct the issue with water getting on the vent to close it while we want to use it while it's raining. Voila, we have a Max X Air that I purchased off of Amazon. I will post a link to show you where that's at. It comes with a screen in the back, which we'll assemble here. It also comes with hardware. Because Coachmen already has it all hardwared up there already, all I need is these spring clips to be put through here. So it shouldn't take us long to install it. Although if you do not have the proper hardware on your fan, the kit does come with brackets that you can install, so you can install this particular cover. I also got this optional bug screen, which will also go in front of this screen right here. As you can see, the grating here is fairly large, so we'll get some bugs that may get inside this unit. And with the screen, I can kind of keep the bugs out. As you can see, this grill has plastic clips on the end. We will stick those plastic clips in the side holes of this vent. And then we just position the grill itself into the tabs, the plastic tabs. There are ears down here at the bottom that this grill slides down into and snaps right into these three spots. And then this is the tab that it swivels on. So right now the grill is secure. We will now put in this bug screen, and you'll see that there's clips on the bug screen itself. We slide this down into that area, and we clip the clips inside this grill area. And there you go. The bug screen is in place, and we're now ready to go and mount this on Frankie. What's nice about the Max Air fan that's put on the coach here at Coachmen is that they already have ears for the cover that will be going on there. So there's no need to put fasteners down. The cover will actually fasten to these ears themselves. We'll show you how easy that is. When we get up on top of Frankie, you'll notice that those tabs that I showed you, the white tabs will go through those slots, and then we put this key pin or keeper pin or cotter pin, however you want to say it, through the hole, and then it locks on the other side. So there's 4 on this plastic cover, 2 on this side and 2 on the other. One thing I noticed when I was putting this cover on, this bar right here is in the way, so I've got to loosen this bar up and just move it that way slightly, and then this cover will slip into place. With the bar positioned out of the way, further out of the way, the cover now is seated, and I'll be putting down the cotter pin clips.
So there's the finished product clipped on one side. I'll go clip on the other side. So they just go through and hold this in place. As you can see, the other side is now clipped into position. And if you look, the Max Air vent hood is just the same height as the Truma air conditioning. So you do not extend any height to your unit. This is what the front of it looks like. So it blends in pretty nice. We are back inside of Frankie. You can see the hood darkens this area as well with the black shade that we have anyways here. The black shade is just used to keep the sunlight out, the heat. And now let's give it a test and see how it opens. Oh yeah, we are pulling air out of here. Job well done, guys. You can do this. Real simple. Catch you on the next video.